Welcome back. Now in this video, we're going to be talking about recording live video for your product where you are not the subject. Now, although you may be recording a speaker video, your product may include content where neither you nor any one person facing the camera directly are the subjects of that. In that case, many of the same rules apply, although you may not be able to add an external mic to your subject. Now, you are going to use a tripod if possible with an unobstructed view. And again, since audio is going to be the most important aspect, you're going to want to test the difference in sound between your external mic and your iPhone internal mic. Again, bad audio will lower the value of the recording. You will want to make sure that you're in landscape mode before you start recording. In some cases, your iPhone may not adjust mid-recording to turning to landscape mode. And then you're going to want to verify landscape mode prior to hitting the record button if you're broadcasting using either YouTube Live or social media, Facebook Live of that nature. You want to be in place before other people arrive to the event you're recording so they know to move around you and avoid you when necessary. If you get to the event after people have arrived, it's likely that they will not feel the need to work around you and to keep your view unobstructed. So these are the things that you want to keep in mind when you're recording a live video event and making that a part of your product. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.